Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Haleem. This is a very special name that teaches us about Allah's amazing character. Let's discover what this name means and how we can learn from it in our daily lives. Al-Haleem means the most forbearing one. When we say Allah is Al-Haleem, we're talking about how incredibly patient and gentle He is with all His creation. Allah never rushes to punish people when they make mistakes. Instead, He gives everyone time to realize what they've done wrong and make better choices. He is so kind and understanding with all of us. Let me show you how Allah demonstrates His forbearance. When people make mistakes, Allah doesn't immediately punish them. He gives them many chances to do good deeds and to ask for forgiveness. Think about when you make a mistake. Allah always keeps the door of forgiveness wide open for you. He gives us time to learn from our mistakes and become better people. This shows us how patient and merciful Allah truly is. Let me tell you a story about two friends, Ahmed and Omar. One day while they were playing in the playground, Omar accidentally knocked over Ahmed's favorite toy car and broke it. Ahmed was very upset and felt angry. His favorite toy was now broken, and he felt hurt that his friend wasn't more careful. But then, Ahmed remembered Allah's beautiful name, Al-Haleem. Instead of getting angry and yelling at Omar, he took a deep breath and decided to be patient. He remembered that Allah is always watching us and that being patient is a way to make Allah happy. When Ahmed chose to be calm, something wonderful happened. Both he and Omar felt much better about the situation. Omar felt so relieved that his friend was being understanding. He immediately apologized from his heart. Together, they decided to try fixing the toy car. They worked as a team, and even though the car wasn't perfect anymore, their friendship became even stronger because they handled the situation with patience and forgiveness. This made both of them very happy. Now, let's talk about how you can practice being patient and forgiving like Al-Haleem in your daily life. When your younger brother or sister wants to play with your toys, try to be patient and share with them. At school, wait for your turn patiently when playing games or standing in line. If someone makes you upset, take a deep breath and remember Allah's name Al-Haleem before reacting. These small actions will help you become a better person. Remember, children, Allah is Al-Haleem, the most patient and forbearing. When you feel like getting angry or upset, think about this beautiful name. Remember how Allah is patient with us and try to be patient with others too. Being forbearing and forgiving like Al-Haleem will make you a better person and make Allah happy with you. Keep practicing patience and forgiveness, and you'll see how it makes your life more peaceful and beautiful.